Hello everyone, I'll tell you how to make strawberry delight mocktail. Take a shaker glass, add some ice cube, then add 20 ml of lemon juice, then add 30 ml of strawberry crush, then you have to add 15 ml of ginger and lime cordial, then you have to add 120 ml of guava juice. Then shake all the ingredients properly, shake well. Then take a hurricane glass and pour all the ingredients into the hurricane glass. Garnish the mocktail with lime slices. Serve the mocktail with straw and stirrers. And garnish with mint spring, and you can garnish with some ginger slices. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.